Hello and welcome. My name's Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind The Country Chic Cottage. Today I'm going to discuss the difference between UV DTF and DTF printing because they are two different things. Now I have done some projects and went over like DTF printers in various videos, and I will link to some of those videos in the description below this one. But this is just going to be a very short video describing the difference between UV DTF and DTF. So if you're getting those two confused, this is the video for you. So DTF printing, overall, the letters DTF stands for direct to film. So that means that the printer is printing directly on a film. So with DTF printing, if you hear that referenced, that printer is printing directly on a film, and then you powder that ink as it comes out, and the ink is very wet when it comes out. Then you add an adhesive powder, you cure that powder, and then that print is ready to press to textile surfaces. So porous surfaces work best with regular DTF printing. A few things to note about DTF printers. One is that they do print with white, so they print with all the colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, black, as well as white. So it is a 5-color printing process. And then the other thing to note is that you do want to follow all safety precautions when using that DTF printer, as that powder can cause health issues. And I've went over some of the safety tips in previous videos, but summarizing those, I do recommend a mask, gloves, protective clothing, protective eyewear, as well as curing that powder in a dedicated DTF oven that does filter the fumes. Now, UV DTF, when you add the UV designation in front of the words DTF, a UV DTF printer takes a completely different ink type, and that ink is cured with a UV light. So what happens is the film goes through the printer, the ink prints onto the printer, and a UV light cures that ink right in the printer. Now often a laminate is laid down on top either after the printing process or even during the printing process itself, and that process produces basically a sticker that would go on hard surfaces. So it's almost applied like a vinyl product, and that laminate over the top serves as sort of like a transfer paper. So you peel that film back from the top, the sticker peels away from the backing or the film that it was printed on, and then you're able to apply that sticker to hard surfaces. Now UV DTF printing, again, prints with all the colors plus white, and it also is an extremely aggressive adhesive. Like when I say aggressive adhesive, I mean that that is going to last a very long time. So it is a very good quality sticker that will last a very long time on a variety of surfaces. So if you're looking for that good quality sticker material, UV DTF would be the process that you want to go with. So now perhaps you're like, but Angie, I don't really want either of those printers in my home. That's okay. You can order both UV DTF and DTF prints from a variety of sources and get the benefits of both of those processes right in your own home without needing to own any of that expensive equipment. So for instance, a DTF print, once it's printed, the powder's applied, and it's cured, you can purchase those prints, and the pressing process is extremely easy. You just put the shirt in the heat press, you apply that DTF print within a few seconds at a relatively low temperature. That's why it can go on a wide variety of material types. So it can go on dark and light colored garments. It can go on different material types: polyester, cotton, cotton poly blends. Then you can even use other types of fabric as long as they can withstand the heat that is recommended wherever you purchase your DTF print. So DTF prints can be extremely versatile because they are all the colors. They can go on any material type, porous materials only, again for the regular DTF, and then they can also go on any color of fabric. So once you start purchasing DTF prints, you might just find that you really love them, and the feel on the shirt is amazing. So the feel on the shirt is very, very thin. It feels way thinner than any HTV product. So it is a great way to get that full color design on any color shirt fairly inexpensively. Then the same goes for UV DTF. I can order those prints from a variety of sources, and then when those stickers come to me, I can use them on my projects, right? So I could use them on tumblers, I could use them on glass cans. So think hard surfaces: plastic, glass, metal, and start thinking about ways you can use those UV DTF stickers. I guarantee you, once you try them, you are going to love them. And again, it's a full color process, so it can go on any color of blank and the blanks don't have to have any coating at all. So this is not where you have to have a sublimation blank where it has that coating. None of that with UV DTF. You just need any blank at all. You can pick your blanks up at the Dollar Tree and apply that UV DTF sticker right to the surface. As long as you have a hard surface that's clean, that is smooth and not rough, you can apply that UV DTF sticker. So I encourage you to try one or both of these for your crafting. I think you are really going to love them. So I hope this video helps you understand the difference between UV DTF and DTF, and that way you order the right prints for your project, or you research the right printer options if you want to dive into this with your craft room or your small business. So I hope this helps you understand the differences and takes you a little bit further to jumping into UV DTF and DTF prints. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions about anything we've covered, drop down in the comment section, ask away. If you liked this video and it helped you, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have videos just like this one every single week, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of those. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.